Hi guys, welcome to Microsoft Excel free tutorial course. My name is Ranjan and I'm your coach for this course. This course has been designed by me, and my endeavor for this course is that if you follow my instructions step by step, I will turn you into an advanced Microsoft Excel user in precisely 7 days. So let us know something about Excel first. Microsoft Excel, according to me, still is a very underutilized tool. Today, a lot of analysts, consultants, marketing professionals, bankers, and accountants all use Excel on a consistent basis. And why it is that? Because wherever data is involved, Excel is the best tool to use. You might even find that other random professionals like graphic designers and engineers are working away with the powerful formulas and charts that come with Excel. I use Excel for my accounting needs and for my digital marketing campaigns. In digital marketing, you get a lot of data about keywords, etc. And I find Excel very useful for getting some right results as required by the campaign using Microsoft Excel. As I told you earlier, wherever data is involved, it is crime not to use Excel. In this era of artificial intelligence and machine learning, data is more valuable asset than any other form of wealth, and Microsoft Excel helps you use this data very appropriately, which will be very good for your business or your education. Excel helps us with data management of acquired data, organize it, and finally analyze it to generate reports that may be used to understand the present status of your business to forecast about your business. As I told you earlier, I personally use Excel for my accounts as well as for my digital marketing strategies. Now, who should take this course? Students, entrepreneurs, aspiring job seekers, people who want to improve their skills, and you can keep on expanding this list. Let me tell you one thing, that if you write in your CV today that you are an advanced user of Excel and you prove it, believe me, chances of getting a better job will be much more than anything else. You don't require anything else. Now, how to go through this course? Let me take you to the actual page of the course where you will be starting it from, and I will take you to this page, which is the first page of this course. Now, this course has been designed in such a way that there are three types of people who can take this course. First thing is, if you are a total newbie, you are starting from scratch, what I will recommend is that in the left hand side of the screen you can see basics of Excel, advanced Excel, and tips and tricks of using Excel. You go through the whole course chapter by chapter, session by session, and whenever you are finishing one session, just do some exercise of your own by opening Microsoft Excel. Now here you can see introduction, 3D form, 3D formula, VLOOKUP table, etc. So you just go in hierarchy step by step, starting from basics of Excel. Second set of people might be who know the basics, but they want to become an advanced user, like using pivot table, generating complex charts, etc. They can skip basics of Excel. They can go to advanced Excel and go through the whole course step by step as suggested by me in the course. Now, I have designed this course in such a way that if you can see, there is a whole list of different features of Excel, which I have explained separately, and I have kept each session very, very short. The reason for that is that you can use this course as the reference also. Suppose you are an advanced user of Excel, but even I am an advanced user of Excel, but sometimes I forget things. So you can just go through any of the sections, go through which part of the feature you are having trouble with, and just go through only that part. So these are the three ways of using Excel, and I hope you will learn a lot by going through this course. If you have got any queries or you get stuck somewhere, or if I have done something wrong in some part of the tutorial, you can write to me. I have written my email address. It is ranjan@msnz.co.nz, and I'll either rectify it or I'll give a suitable reply to your queries. So all the best, and hope you'll learn a lot from this tutorial. Thank you.